The no-energy motor shaft created by RIUGOR for German customers has won the recognition of customers with its precise adaptation, high efficiency, and durability. In response to the high performance requirements of German customers for no-energy motors, the technical team of RIUGOR Transmission deeply analyzes the application scenarios and provides full process customization services from material selection, structural optimization to process design, relying on advanced CNC machining center and automatic detection line. High-strength alloy steel and surface hardening process are used to ensure the stability of the motor shaft under extreme working conditions. Through the three-coordinate measuring instrument and dynamic balance detection, micron-level precision control is realized. The company optimizes the production process through the digital management system, shortens the delivery cycle, and provides customers with efficient and reliable transmission solutions. In the future, the company will continue to deepen the field of non-standard customization and become a global partner of no-energy transmission technology with technological breakthroughs and quality commitments.